What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, obviously, like the title says, it's an install. It's the Meso Customs. Let me prop you up. No, I'm gonna just place you guys there. What's in here? It's the Meso Customs ignition button, the start and stop for the third gens 2020s or any third gen with the smart key, the push to start. And I ordered this as soon as it came out. I got the red one and with the large lettering, white lettering as well. It's transparent, so blue light will actually show, like the OEM one. In the back of it is the key that they made, what you'll use, or more of a tool. What this is, it's just so you can take out the black button that's on there right now. And I started getting too excited, and I went ahead and already started taking it apart. So you take off the chrome ring. I used if I can get it, I used a razor blade for it. I was very careful, but I still managed to break a little clip. Broke one. So just however you take that off, be very careful. I'll show you what goes next. Alright, so like I previously said, I used the razor blade to remove this chrome ring, which obviously goes right here. So I just went right in here, started prying it up. As soon as it lifted up, I pulled it out, except I may have pulled it a bit too hard, which did break a little tab. Where is it? Oh, right there. This little tab that broke, but it's alright because I'm gonna be replacing these. I did get a Chrome delete kit, which is the climate controls. I'm gonna add something to these, deleting this chrome, along with this right here. This I'm gonna be deleting, but that's gonna be later down the road. I also want to delete this chrome right here. But I'm not too sure if I should just go OEM and get the SR5 handle, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit, because SR5s are matte black and it'll match all the other plastics in here. Or either plasti dip it or just get vinyl wrap and just overlay it, cut it up, boom, that'll be done. I haven't decided yet, but that's for the future. So what's next after removing the ring? You're gonna remove this button, and that's where this little tool is gonna come in. It's just like a little hook that you're just gonna feed through here, and then just hook it and pull it out. All right. So with this little tool, you're just gonna go right on the edge, and then turn it once you're all the way in, and then just pull out. Let me set you guys up. Alright, so I had to do this off camera because I'm using my phone and I just don't have a tripod for it right now, which I apologize, but you really got to pull on it to remove it. Don't be afraid, it'll be fine, but I'm not held liable just in case you do break the clips, by the way. But yeah, there's 3 little clips. There's one right there, one on the side, and I may have busted, oh no, one down here. So there's only going to be 3. Obviously that one, nope, there's going to be a clip there, but yeah, and then down here, and then that right there, if you can tell, that's going to be the light, the blue light, that'll be glowing. So you take your red button and then you pretty much just put it back in. And then just push. As you can tell, it just went on. Shout out my girlfriend. Cool. Electronics turned on. Let's just turn it off. Alright. Oh, I should actually, let me see. As you can tell, see, it still glows blue. Cool. And now you just put the ring back on. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this clear plastic off. Ooh. And then obviously just this chrome will just get put right back on. Obviously it does not look good in my opinion with this chrome ring, but that's getting taken care of soon. Just having a red button there really stands out because nothing else is really red in here, but to me that's nice. Alright, and that's pretty much the install. Really simple. Don't be afraid to break those clips. I know I did by accident. Just don't be careful removing that ring if you actually gonna reuse it and don't plan on changing it. But like I said, I'm gonna be deleting this chrome, so I'm not really worried about it. All right, and that's pretty much the install. It's literally like 5 minute quick, probably even less, to install the red button. In my opinion, it looks great. Put in the comments if you guys liked it or not. They did make a red button, and they also made a black button, small font, large font, and also one that just says TRD on it in both colors. Link will be in the description. Not sure if it'll be sold out or not. Look around their website, maybe you'll like something that they sell. Go ahead and copy it. Let me know if you guys buy anything. And yeah, this sun is really in my eyes. I don't know why I got in the sun. But yeah, hit the like button. Another videos to come shortly. I was gonna make it two installs in one, but that deserves its own install video, and what I'm about to install deserves its own video also. See you guys in the next one. Remember, live life.